Hi everyone, it's Cajun DIY Diva and we are in Amsterdam at the DoubleTree Hotel. This is room 927. It's a club balcony room. So the club level has various amenities, breakfast, that sort of thing. This is kind of a basic room. That's the TV, believe it or not. Small screen, looks like a monitor, which I guess it is. There's your tea things, tea kettle with complimentary tea bags and instant coffee. Here's your outlet. It's not loaded with things like USB ports or anything. You do get some waters in the refrigerator, so it's nice to have a refrigerator in a room like this. This hotel's located right on the river. A really good location for seeing the city. So here's a closet. You've got an iron, robe, slippers, a safe, which is nice to use for traveling, mirror, ironing board, place to hang clothes. Not a whole lot of room to put your luggage. That's a queen size bed. You do have little stands on each side of the bed. That didn't come out very well. It's just a little bit of artwork. Chair, table, but pretty nice balcony for this room. Let's open it and go out there, and little table and chairs to sit and enjoy the view. Pretty spacious balcony. Little partitions to divide it so you have some privacy. And there is the city. That's the train station straight across. Or that's the train station. Yeah, right there. That's the train station. And there you see the traditional Amsterdam houses. And I do believe Anne Frank's house is right down that row. So here's again a look at the room. Got an ice bucket, glasses up there. And here's the bathroom. So very basic bathroom. There's the European style toilet, towels. Your mirror, hello. Single sink and a stand-up shower. Very adequate, nice, modern, clean, sparkling clean. Not a huge shower, but it is perfectly adequate, great. Unless you have kids and you want a bathtub, but you know, you're just not finding that. But anyway, I hope you like this video and please subscribe.